Hello again. Espresso Cyborg here. Today's topic of interest is replacing the burrs on an espresso grinder. We will be using the Super Jolly as our sample grinder. This will work on most grinders as long as you can access the burr chamber. Okay, enough of my rambling, let's sip some espresso. Here are the tools we will need for our project. Screwdrivers, flat and Phillips, a pick, food-safe grease and a few bar towels. Note on some grinders the grease is not needed. How can you tell? If there is no signs of grease on your threads, do not add grease to your threads. Let's move on. First, unscrew the adjustment collar. There should be an indication on your grinder showing gross and fine. Keep turning towards gross or coarse until the collar is off the threads. Remove the screws from the lower burrs and clean the chamber and lower burr holder. Using a towel, wire brush or pick, clean the threads on the around the burr housing. With the chamber clean, set new burr in and screw in place. Clean the upper burr screw heads and remove the old burrs. Clean the upper burr holder and screw on the new burrs. Then clean the threads on the adjustment collar with a towel and add a small layer of food-safe grease, not gasket lube, on the threads. You can use a small piece of a paper towel to spread the grease around the threads. Place springs back in their housing and set the upper burr holder in place. Set the adjustment collar on the grinder chamber, then press down on holder and slowly screw on the adjustment collar. You might have to turn backwards a few times for the threads to line up before turning forward. When top and bottom burrs touch each other, back off the adjustment collar about 3 notches. Ignore the numbers on the top of the collar. For now, we will concern ourselves with the notches around the outer edge. Pick any spot on the collar and count off 12 notches towards coarser. Turn grinder to the spot where you started from, so if you picked the number 8 as an example, then counted 12 notches, that should put you at about 3 notches past 9 on the numbers. Turn the collar from that spot to the spot where 8 was. Your grind should be almost perfect. You might have to turn 1 notch towards finer or coarser after testing. Now your grinder is ready to continue producing beautiful grounds for your espresso. Thank you for viewing this video within the universe of coffee.